Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome to Janice S's channel. And today I will be showing you how to make a really simple meal. And I will be making potatoes and ham. And this time I will be doing it in the crock pot. And it'll just consist of several ingredients, but it'll be really easy to make. Okay, now I will be showing you the ingredients that I will be using for this meal. And the ingredients are going to be one ham steak diced, and then I use 4 peeled potatoes, and I will be cutting them shortly how to put them in the crock pot. And I also cut up about a half an onion diced, 1 package of gravy mix, 1 can of cream and mushroom soup, and 2 cups of water. And then at the end, when the meal is done, then I will add the cheese, but I'll explain to you on that later on. Now, once I put all the ingredients into my crock pot, I will put it on high and let it cook for hours. And basically that's how this meal is going to be. It's really simple to make. So let me show you the first thing that I will do. I already went ahead and I already washed my potatoes and I peeled them. So that will be easy for me to show you how to cut these. Now you have the option to cut these potatoes if you want them in diced, or you can slice them. Now, if you decide to slice them, don't make them really thick. I like to make my potatoes a little bit medium thickness, not too thick. And it doesn't really matter what style potatoes you want to cut them with, like diced or sliced like this, but this is what I'm going to show you now. And this meal is really good. And you know what I like about it? I don't know about you guys, but I like cream of mushroom soup. When you add the cream of mushroom soup, oh boy, it tastes really good. It comes out really creamy and it's delicious. My whole family enjoys this meal, and I've been making this meal for years, and my family doesn't ever get tired of it, so they enjoy it when I make this meal. And when you have a crock pot, it's so much easier, especially if you have one of those busy days that you have to go to work and then you're worried about, oh, what am I going to make today for my family at dinner time. With the crock pot, you just basically put all the ingredients in there and basically just forget about it, and then you come home and then your dinner is all ready to be served. You just scoop it out of the crock pot and that's basically it. So, and these potatoes, you can use any kind of potatoes you like. You can use those red potatoes, the brown potatoes, and the ones I used today were the brown potatoes. They call the russet potatoes. So you can use any kind of potatoes that you like. I think the hardest part is the prep time, getting all the ingredients cut up, washed. But after all that is done, you just put it in the crock pot and basically just forget about it. And make sure you watch my other videos as well. I know you will enjoy my other videos because I made a lot of good recipes, and some of my recipes, it only takes like half an hour and it's really quick. So please make sure you watch my other videos because I am pretty sure you'll like them. Okay, so I hope after I show you how to make this meal, I would like to hear some of your opinions, some of your suggestions. If you try my recipe, which I hope you will, because that will make me really happy to hear that. Okay, now I just need to finish slicing these potatoes. And I'm almost done here. Now for the ham, the one I use all the time is the ham steak. And make sure, when you go and buy it at the store, you get the one that says fully cooked. And that's the best one that you can use. Don't use any deli meat ham. It doesn't come out as good as when you buy the ham steaks. So now I'm on my last potato. And then I will show you how I put the ingredients into my crock pot. If I didn't have this crock pot, I don't know what I would do. This crock pot saves me a lot of time. Okay, so now I have all the potatoes sliced. And then I go into getting my crock pot. And then I will start putting all my ingredients into this crock pot here. So I will start combining the potatoes into the crock pot. Okay, so now the potatoes are in the crock pot. The next thing I will be putting in the crock pot would be the diced ham that is already fully cooked. Then my next ingredient is going to be the onions. Then I will add the gravy mixture into the crock pot. And it's 1 package of the gravy that goes into the crock pot. Then I will add the 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, all in the same pot. Then once you have the cream of mushroom soup in the crock pot, then I will add 2 cups of water into the pot. Just go all the way around like this, making sure everything gets water in it. Then the last step would be to get a spoon and mix all the ingredients up. Make sure the powder of the gravy gets all mixed in with the water. So that will give it a nice, smooth, creamy look. Okay, and now you have all the ingredients mixed up. Then I will plug in my crock pot. And then I will cover it. Then I will turn it on high. And I will cook this for 4 hours on high. And then once it's done, and then we'll proceed with the next step. Okay, now I am back, and it's been 4 hours since I put the mixture into the crock pot. I am ready to serve it, and when I scoop out the potatoes and ham out of the crock pot, I will put it on my bowl, and then after I put the potatoes and ham into my bowl, I will be adding some grated cheese on top of the potatoes and ham. And because the potatoes and ham is already hot, the cheese will melt really quickly. And this is a really good recipe because it has a lot of flavor. It's rich, it's very creamy and filling too. I like to serve this meal with a side of a salad or some bread if you like to go along with it, and or some flour tortillas. Well, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, and I hope you will make this delicious meal soon. And if you do, please let me know what you think and give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button, and I will be making more videos like this one, so please stay tuned for some more videos like this. See you next time. Bye.